Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Windows 11 the remote device or resources will not accept the connection. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you to subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, first of all in the search box type imetcpl.cpl. Open it. After that, go to your connection settings, go to your LAN settings, and after doing that, make sure that uncheck the automatic detected settings and also uncheck the user proxy server for your LAN. So after that, click on OK button. After that, click on OK button. After that, in the search box, type a CMD and open a command prompt. Right click run as administrative privileges. After opening that, first of all type a command is ipconfig space / release. After that type a command is ipconfig space / renew. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.